Welcome back to Target Designs. It's been a long time. Well, not that long, but enough time for me to lose 300-400 subscribers. And COVID, the next thing you know, I had shoulder surgery, and that stopped everything for me for a good 3 weeks. Started recovering and decided I'm gonna pick up a new project. Now, the problem with that is, right over here, the Wilson G35, their primer. I'm gonna tell you what happened. Long story. But 240 bumper, still not done. And if you look up towards the ceiling of the garage, the dashboard, it's still not done. Anybody who said you can't do more than 10 projects at a time, they're bullshit. But we picked up a new project right here. Not a car, but totally a new project. You can tell what this is and you can tell what's going on, okay? That's not gonna be a full video in itself. You've seen me do it before. We found a quicker way to do it. We're gonna use Fusor. Put this together so you guys can see what we're working on. And real short video. That's gonna be it. You're just gonna get a glimpse. So I want it to be like a kind of surprise to everybody. Alright, well, there you guys have it. Some of you will know what bumper this is, some of you won't. And I'm not going to tell you. Just know the finished product is going to what I say? Mint? Yeah. Long way to go, but no plastic welding this time. Load Fusor, bonding it together. We're going to bond this section tonight and rivet it, make sure it holds. And then tomorrow we'll come back when this is bonded, make sure it's good to go, and start working in this area. And we'll start bonding, making it one whole piece, and voila. A lot quicker than plastic welding, I'm telling you. But this thing, the Weld Fusor, the gun is like 50-60 bucks. Some places. We were lucky enough to get it for 35?
36?
36. All right. The tubes themselves, you're looking at about another $52, $55. But it works. That's what they use to do molding, like body kits on the metal. That's what they use. You gotta rip it off, cut it off actually. So, hey, so thank you for watching this video. If you watched it, I would appreciate it if you share it. Let your friends know, hey, he's back making videos again. He got some new stuff over his sleeve, and I love you guys so much. Remember, there's always t-shirts to help the channel out. I need to get a new GoPro for one, and it's pretty much all the channel can use right now. Your support and a GoPro. So, hey, appreciate it. Thank you guys, and a little update and something that we're doing. All right, see y'all later.